Hi everyone, this is the Pool Hygiene Doctor, and in today's video I will describe how to use a multiport valve on a sand filter. Your multiport valve controls the direction in which the water is flowing through your system. Typically it will have 7 different ports or settings. A few things to remember when turning the handle of your multiport valve: always make sure your system is off. If you turn the valve when the system is on, you will cause damage to the valve and make an expensive repair. Another important tip is to rotate your valve in one direction. This will decrease wear and tear on your gasket inside the valve, which I like to think of as a spider web. Replacing this gasket isn't that expensive, but it can be very time consuming. So the first position we're going to talk about on your multiport valve is the filter's position. This is the most used and brings water in from the pool, allows it to be cleaned by your filter, and then sends it back to the pool. Your valve will be in the filter position more than 80% of your summer. The second most used position is backwash. This port will allow you to flush out the materials and bacteria that get trapped inside your filter. Watch our video on when to backwash to determine how often this needs to be done. Be careful not to backwash after adding chemicals. Wait at least 24 hours after chemicals have been added. The next setting is rinse, which after backwashing, rinsing can help settle some of the leftover particles so they don't go back into your pool and instead will go out your waistline. It will also help agitate the sand and make for better cleaning. The fourth position is your waistline. This can be used when the pool is particularly dirty. This will allow the water to bypass the filter and go straight out the backwash line. This will save you time and money on chemicals. It can also be used to help drain your pool, especially after a heavy storm. The fifth port is Recirculate. This is another rarely used setting, but this port allows the water to bypass the filter and go directly back into your pool. This is an easy way to circulate freshly added chemicals without being caught inside the filter. Closed is a setting that may never be used by a homeowner, but is important to know because you should never run your system in the closed position. This will cause problems to both your motor and your multiport valve. The closed port is generally used when the system is being worked on and water isn't flowing through. Finally, you may have a Winterize position on your multiport. This is used when the pool is closed, but it allows evaporation to occur so water doesn't get trapped in your lines. Thanks for listening to the Pool Hygiene Doctor, and I'll see you at the pool.